Think you know science and tech? From the boiling point of water to the mysteries of quantum entanglement, we're diving into 20 all-new questions that will test your knowledge from basic facts to cutting-edge discoveries. Whether you're a student, a curious mind, or just love a good brain challenge, this quiz will surprise you. No repeats, no fluff, just pure science. Ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? Is it A, 90 degree, B, 100 degree, C, 110 degree, or D, 120 degree? The correct answer is B, 100 degree. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius at standard atmospheric pressure, which is the condition at sea level. Question number 2. Which organ pumps blood throughout the human body? A, lungs, B, brain, C, liver, or D, heart? The correct answer is D, heart. The heart is a muscular organ that continuously pumps oxygenated blood to all parts of the body through the circulatory system. Question number 3. What type of energy does the sun primarily give to Earth? A, chemical energy, B, electrical energy, C, solar, radiant energy, or D, nuclear energy? The answer is C, solar, radiant energy. This includes visible light and infrared radiation, which power photosynthesis, weather systems, and solar technology. Question number 4. Which device converts mechanical energy into electrical energy? A, motor, B, battery, C, generator, or D, resistor? The correct answer is C, generator. Generators use motion, such as spinning a turbine with wind or water, to produce electricity through electromagnetic induction. Question number 5. What is the symbol for sodium on the periodic table? The answer is C, Na. It comes from the Latin word natrium. S stands for sulfur, and K stands for potassium, so it's a common mix-up in chemistry. Question number 6. Which planet has the most moons in our solar system? A, Earth, B, Mars, C, Jupiter, or D, Saturn? The correct answer is D, Saturn. As of 2024, Saturn holds the record with over 140 confirmed moons, surpassing even Jupiter. Question number 7. What is the main gas produced during photosynthesis? A, carbon dioxide, B, nitrogen, C, oxygen, or D, methane? The answer is C, oxygen. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and water, then use sunlight to create glucose, releasing oxygen as a byproduct, the very air we breathe. Question number 8. Which component of a computer stores data permanently? A, RAM, B, CPU, C, GPU, or D, hard drive? The correct answer is D, hard drive. Whether it's a traditional HDD or an SSD, this component keeps your files safe even when the computer is turned off. Question number 9. What is the smallest bone in the human body? A, femur, B, stapes, C, radius, or D, phalanges? The answer is B, stapes. Located in the middle ear, this tiny bone is smaller than a grain of rice and plays a key role in transmitting sound vibrations. Question number 10. Which of these is a vector quantity? A, speed, B, time, C, mass, or D, velocity? The correct answer is D, velocity. Unlike speed, Velocity includes both magnitude and direction, making it a vector, for example, 60 km/h north. Question number 11. What is the powerhouse of the cell? A. Nucleus, B. Ribosome, C. Mitochondria, or D. Endoplasmic reticulum. The answer is C. Mitochondria. This organelle produces ATP through cellular respiration, providing the energy needed for nearly all cellular activities. Question number 12. Which law states that current is directly proportional to voltage? A. Newton's law, B. Ohm's law, C. Faraday's law, or D. Pascal's law. The correct answer is B. Ohm's law. Expressed as V for IXR, it describes the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in an electrical circuit. Question number 13. Which type of radiation has the shortest wavelength? A. Radio waves, B. Microwaves, C. Visible light, or D. Gamma rays. The answer is D. Gamma rays. With the shortest wavelength and highest energy, gamma rays are produced by nuclear reactions and cosmic events. Question number 14. In programming, what does HTML stand for? A. Hypertransfer Markup Language, B. High-Tech Modern Language, C. Hypertext Markup Language, or D. Home Tool Management Layer? The correct answer is C. Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard language used to create and structure content on the web. Question number 15. Which process allows bacteria to transfer genetic material through direct contact? A. Fission, B. Conjugation, C. Transformation, or D. Transduction. The answer is B. Conjugation. Bacteria use a pilus, a thin tube, to connect with another cell and transfer DNA, often spreading antibiotic resistance. Question number 16. Which particle gives other particles mass via the Higgs field? A. Photon, B. Electron, C. Higgs boson, or D. Neutrino. The correct answer is C. Higgs boson. Discovered at CERN in 2012, it confirms the existence of the Higgs field, which gives elementary particles their mass. Question number 17. What is the theoretical maximum efficiency of a heat engine called? A. Carnot efficiency, B. Thermal limit, C. Entropy ceiling, or D. Maxwell bound. The answer is A. Carnot efficiency. It represents the highest possible efficiency a heat engine can achieve based on the temperatures of its hot and cold reservoirs. Question number 18. Which CRISPR-associated protein is most commonly used in gene editing? A. Cas1, B. Cas3, C. Cas9, or D. Cas12. The correct answer is C. Cas9. This protein acts like molecular scissors, cutting DNA at precise locations, enabling scientists to edit genes with high accuracy. Question number 19. In quantum computing, what is the basic unit of information? A. Bit, B. Byte, C. Qubit, or D. Gate. The answer is C. Qubit. Unlike classical bits, qubits can exist in superposition, representing 0, 1, or both at the same time, enabling vastly more powerful computations. Question number 20. Which phenomenon allows particles to affect each other instantly, regardless of distance? A. Quantum tunneling, B. Superposition, C. Entanglement, or D. Decoherence. The correct answer is C. Entanglement. When two particles are entangled, measuring one instantly determines the state of the other. A mysterious connection Einstein called spooky action at a distance. And there you have it. 20 science and tech questions that took us from basic facts to the frontiers of quantum physics and gene editing. And most importantly, drop your score in the comments. Let me know how many you got right, or which question totally stumped you. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.